This is my Wooden Thomas collection. This is Thomas, and he also has Annie and Clairville here. This is a middle Thomas. He's not wood, but some of it is wood. And if you press this button on top of him, he moves by himself. This is Edward. This is Henry. This is Gordon. This is James. He came with this James, which is Bumblebee James. So these two were like in a 2-pack. This is Percy. This is Toby. This is Duck. This is Diesel. This is Diesel 10. You can move his claw like this. I'm gonna get you. And this is Emily. This is Belle. This is Bash and this is Dash, and there's this thing at the back that you can like turn on both of them, and they're probably like a pulley or something. This is Peter Sam. He is from the narrow gauge. This is Billy. He's not from the narrow gauge. Ben is not from the narrow gauge either. Duncan is from the narrow gauge, and Freddie is from the narrow gauge. Now we're gonna do the road engines and trucks and 1C like boat or whatever. This is Jack. You can like press this button and this thing comes up. This is Patrick. You can like spin his cement mixer. Sir Topham Hatt in this car. He's like a bobblehead. Birdie. For some reason he can ride on the track, but whatever. Troublesome Truck. Giggling Troublesome Truck. If you press the top of it, it makes sounds. See, just laugh there. Then we have Byron. Same thing as Jack. You can press the button on top, and it like puts this thing up. And then we got Butch, who is a crane that has like a metal thing on his back that he can pick up metal with. He's like a truck with that metal crane on his back. And then lastly, we got Captain, and he goes in the ocean, and he's like a rescue boat if like anything happened.